Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can disable and enable keyboard sound in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G. So if you want to enable or disable the sound and vibration of keyboards in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G, you have to follow the steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable or disable sound and vibration of the keyboard.